This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Winnipeg, Manitoba is getting the snowstorm on Sunday, March 17, 2013. Snowstorm is going to happen in Winnipeg, Manitoba during the night time on Sunday. It's going up to 20 to 30 centimeters of snow locally. It's going up to 15 centimeters of snow in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Because it's going to be lots of snow, lots of blowing snow, drifting snow, reduced visibilities, and all that stuff as well. Because it's going to be stormy conditions in Winnipeg on Sunday, March 17th, 2013. Because Winnipeg is getting a snowstorm. People in Winnipeg, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready. Here's my advice for people in Winnipeg. Be very careful driving your car. Don't get in a car accident. Focus on your driving. Take extra caution while driving a car in people in Winnipeg, especially on the highways, because the highways are going to be very slippery, snow-covered snow and icy conditions in Winnipeg, Manitoba on Sunday, March 17th, 2013. It's going to happen during the night time for people in Winnipeg. People in Winnipeg, do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Because it's going to be stormy conditions in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your snow blowers ready for people in Winnipeg. Because it's going to be a snowstorm in Winnipeg on Sunday, March 17th, 2013. It's going to happen on Sunday evening until Monday morning in Winnipeg. It's going to be a blowing snow, drifting snow, reduced visibilities in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Wear warm clothes and dress very warm. For people in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Here's my advice. Be very careful driving your car. Avoid getting in car accidents. Drive very slowly. Don't get stuck in the snow. For people in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Because it's going to be a snowstorm in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Be very careful. Take caution. And stay safe. Best of luck to you. People in Winnipeg, be prepared for a snowstorm on Sunday night. Good luck and stay safe. Be very careful there. Take care.